Let's have a look on how the most popular milk brand of Bangladesh, DANO, reaches to our households. The milk comes from our very own farms in Europe, where cows are fed high-quality feed. Then milk is collected through fully automated technology without any human touch. From collection to processing, every step undergoes rigorous quality testing. The liquid milk is transformed into powder milk with the help of state-of-the-art technology. The nutritional values are ensured through multiple rigorous quality control processes in advanced laboratories. This is how DANO, the most popular milk brand in the country, provides the goodness of milk to your family every day.